What's going on, guys? So today's video and topic is going to be different ways you can generate leads for your business. And we're going to go over a few of them, and we're going to go over the strategy on how you should actually go about that. So a few different ways you can generate leads for your real estate business. All right, guys. First off, you can cold call. You can pick up the phone. You can grab a list that's target specific, whether it's absentee owner, high equity, whether it's tax delinquent, pre-foreclosure, whatever it is, guys, go grab that list, pick up the phone and start dialing. That is a way to generate leads. You can drive for dollars. Driving for dollars is you drive around, you look for vacant properties, you write down the vacant properties, you write down the abandoned properties, you write down properties that are obviously very distressed. You skip trace those and you call and you do the same thing. Bandit signs. Go old school bandit signs. You know, the signs that you see, we buy houses cash, fast, with the phone number. That's, hey, you know, there's a reason why, guys, people use those signs. They work. I know it's silly. I know it's old school. And yeah, there are better ways to generate your leads, but guys, it does work. If you put enough signs out, you will get a deal over time. What are some different ways? RVM, ringless voicemails. Ringless voicemails is where they drop a voicemail straight to the person's phone without it ringing, and they answer. They pick up their phone. They get a voicemail. Hey, this is Blake with Freedom Hawk Real Estate. I am calling about the property off of ABC Street. Please give me a call back. Blah blah blah. That's one way you can generate a lead. What are some different ways to generate leads? So we did bandit signs, RVMs, cold calls, driving for dollars, door knocking. You can go door knock. Door knocking, guys, get a list that's highly targeted. I think pre-foreclosures is a great list to do this with. Also, I've had a lot of success with absentee owners. So what I will do, I have a list of absentee owners. I'll drive to their residence. I'll knock on their door. Hey, Mr. Owner, you don't know me. My name is Blake. I'm actually the owner of Freedom Hawk Real Estate, and I am actually inquiring about this property off of ABC Street. Hey, would you be interested in selling? Believe it or not, guys, if you do enough of those, you'll get a deal. Seriously. All right. Those are just some basic ways to generate leads, guys. There's other ways you can generate leads. You can use Google Ads. That's one way we just started that. You can do that. So people, they get on Google and they put, we buy, sell my house fast, or sell my house for cash. Then your ad will pop up. They'll click on it. It's called pay-per-click. They'll click on it, and then they'll submit a web form of all their information. That web form actually gets sent to you directly to your phone number. You pick it up, you give them a call. Hey, man, you want to sell your house? What's going on? Okay, that's another way you can generate a lead. Facebook ads. Facebook ads are another way. Facebook ads are a little bit lower intent. They're not going to be higher intent. So Google ads are going to be higher intent. So they're going to be a little bit more hot. So whenever they submit that web form, they're going to be their intention is a little bit higher to actually make a move on their property. Facebook ads, you'll get more volume, but the quality of leads will be a little bit less. You're going to get a lot of people that are just curious and things like that, but you will be able to generate deals from Facebook ads. What's some other ways? Networking. Go out there, shake hands, kiss babies. Hey man, I buy houses cash as is. I'm looking for these type of properties. I'm looking for this and that. Do you know anybody that's looking to sell? It's old school. It's a little slow, but hey, you might as well do it. Your time's gonna go by regardless. You might as well go out and network. It's always a good way to generate a lead. Bird dogs. Bird dogs is another phenomenal way you can generate a lead. A bird dog is someone that actually drives around for you, and they say, "Hey, Blake, I got this house over here off of Baker Street, 123 Baker Street. You might want to take a look at it, man." Hey, that's a bird dog, and I've gotten deals that way. I've gotten deals off of Instagram, guys. So people's like, "Oh, well, you can't get." So I've literally had someone send me 2 properties off Instagram, but they both became contracts, and we made a deal on it. So listen, guys, those are some quick ways you can generate leads. I know we kind of went through this pretty quick. We're going to go a little bit more in depth over time. But right now, my goal is to get 1,000 videos of content on my channel, Freedom Hawk. Please subscribe, like, share, show some love. Give me some input. Let me know if there's any sort of topics that you guys want to specifically talk about. If there is, let's get right into it, guys. Go out there, have a marvelous day, and go crush it.